Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll show you how to set up an out-of-office auto-reply in Gmail. So first things first, make sure to have Gmail open on your favorite web browser and log in with your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, on the upper right corner, click on the gear icon to open up the settings list, and then click on See All Settings. Once you've accessed the settings menu, scroll down until you find the vacation responder list. This will send an automated reply to all incoming messages as long as you keep it on. Turn the vacation responder on, choose the first day of your vacation or the time when you want Gmail to send automated replies for you. You can optionally also choose the last day of when it will stop sending those automated replies. For the purposes of this video, we'll be choosing July 6 as our first day and July 11 as our last day. Feel free to put anything you want on the subject list, but make sure to note that this is an automated reply just for email etiquette. Feel free to write down an email as you would when replying to any other messages. And you can edit the email as much as you want, the same way you write your own email in Gmail. Once you're happy with the format and messaging of your email reply, go ahead and click Save Changes. And there you go! Once you follow this guide, your Gmail account will now automatically reply to messages received within the start and end date that you chose, and with the subject and body of the email that you wrote. And that's really all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials, and we'll see you in the next one.